Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn 5 benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made with crushed apples, yeast, and sugar. It's used as an ingredient in foods like salad dressings, pickles, and marinades. For many years, people have also used it as a home remedy for everything from fighting germs to preventing heartburn. More recently, research has shown that apple cider vinegar might have some real health benefits, such as helping to reduce blood sugar levels and aid weight loss. Here are 5 benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar. Number 1. High in healthful substances. Apple cider vinegar is made via a 2-step process. First, the manufacturer exposes crushed apples to yeast, which ferments the sugars and turns them into alcohol. Next, adding bacteria further ferments the alcohol, turning it into acetic acid, the main active compound in vinegar. Acetic acid gives vinegar its strong sour smell and flavor. Researchers believe this acid is responsible for apple cider vinegar's health benefits. Cider vinegars are 5–6% acetic acid. Organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar also contains a substance called mother, which consists of strands of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria that give the product a murky appearance. While apple cider vinegar does not contain many vitamins or minerals, it offers a small amount of potassium. Good quality brands also contain some amino acids and antioxidants. Number 2. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar can help kill pathogens, including bacteria. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean wounds more than 2,000 years ago. Vinegar is also a food preservative. Studies show that it inhibits bacteria like E. coli from growing in and spoiling food. If you're looking for a natural way to preserve your food, apple cider vinegar could help. Number 3. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. To date, one of the most convincing applications of vinegar is helping treat type 2 diabetes. Research suggests that vinegar offers the following benefits for blood sugar and insulin levels. A small study suggests vinegar may improve insulin sensitivity by 19 to 34% during a high-carb meal and significantly lower blood sugar and insulin response. In a small study in 5 healthy people, vinegar reduced blood sugar by 31.4% after eating 50 grams of white bread. A small study in people with diabetes reported that consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bedtime reduced fasting blood sugar by 4% the following morning. Numerous other studies in humans show that vinegar can improve insulin function and lower blood sugar levels after meals. Number 4. May aid weight loss. Perhaps surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could help people lose weight. Several human studies show that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness. This can lead to eating fewer calories and losing weight. For example, according to one study, taking vinegar along with a high-carb meal led to increased feelings of fullness, causing participants to eat 200 to 275 fewer calories throughout the rest of the day. Number 5. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar is a common remedy for skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. The skin is naturally slightly acidic. Using topical apple cider vinegar could help rebalance the natural pH of the skin, improving the protective skin barrier. On the other hand, alkaline soaps and cleansers could irritate eczema, making symptoms worse. Given its antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar could, in theory, help prevent skin infections linked to eczema and other skin conditions. Some people use diluted apple cider vinegar in a face wash or toner. The idea is that it can kill bacteria and prevent spots. Talk with your doctor before trying new remedies, especially on damaged skin. Avoid applying undiluted vinegar to the skin, as it can cause burns. Dosage and how to use it. The best way to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet is to use it in cooking. It's a simple addition to foods like salad dressings and homemade mayonnaise. Some people also like to dilute it in water and drink it as a beverage. Common dosages range from 1 to 2 teaspoons, 5 to 10 milliliters to 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters per day mixed in a large glass of water. Apple cider vinegar appears to be safe, as long as you don't take excessive amounts of it. It also has various other non-health related uses, including as a natural hair conditioner, skin care product, and cleaning agent. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best from the 5-Minute Health Tips team.